finding out how it works and putting it all together. So the good news is this is a working machine. It's switched on and working now. And in 2007 I decided I wanted to prove that the rebuilt Colossus was working as well as its original did in 1945. And so I set up the Colossus Cipher Challenge. We have on site here one wartime Lorentz SZ42 cipher machine. It's down in the museum in B Block. And I got permission to restore that to working order and then send it to Paderborn in Germany, to the Heinz Rixdorf Computer Museum. And there, on the 15th to 16th November 2007, they deciphered some secret German text on that refurbished cipher machine, and then transmitted the cipher text by radio from Paderborn, just like in World War II. We intercepted those signals on the radio receivers, and there is one of the messages from Paderborn on Colossus now. So that's the cipher text from Paderborn, received by radio, punched on the paper plate, and then put onto Colossus there and joined in a loop, so it's being continuously read by Colossus. I then used the rebuilt Colossus to find the wheel settings to which the German operator in Paderborn turned all 12 wheels before enciphering that message. So in 3.5 hours I found them, and I was able to decipher the message. So this was a world challenge to anybody to intercept those radio signals and to break the cipher before Colossus. It was won by a German. Thank God it wasn't a Frenchman. Won by a German. In Bonn, got very strong radio signals from Paderborn to Bonn. And he's a software engineer. He wrote some very simple software in Ada. He used Pentium 6 computers, and he broke that message in 46 seconds, compared with 3.5 hours. But when he came to London to receive his prize, he said, well, I was reading characters at 1.5 million characters a second. Colossus was already reading about 5,000. That's the difference in speed. But the main point was it proved that the rebuilt Colossus could find the settings on a radio intercept, just like the original had done in World War II. Now what it's doing is it's reading the cipher text there off of the paper tape at 5,000, that's 30 miles an hour, that tape's going around there. And that's the data going into Colossus. Now Colossus has got no memory, and has to read the data over and over again, and then do all the calculations in real time using 2,500 vowels, another big rack behind here with thousands of vowels on, and all these quick programs in order to find the wheel settings. The counts they'll come out on the wheel panel here, and if you're doing it for real, what you're doing is you're stepping the possible wheel start position round every time the tape goes round, and looking for the highest scores. It tells you you've found the right position. When you get those high scores, they come out from the typewriter here, and when you've got all 12 scores out for all 12 wheels, then you tear that off, go to the cunning machine, plug it up, and key in the cipher text, and if you've got it right, out comes the German decrypt and the printer alongside the cunning machine, and there is a decrypt from late 1944. Now the Mark I Colossus was designed in 1943 by Tommy Flowers, came on screen in January 44, and they immediately ordered the more powerful Mark II. It's the Mark II that we rebuilt here. And the first Mark II came on screen on the 1st of June 1944, just in time for D-Day. We then ordered 9 more of them, 10 of them here in Bletchley Park, and number 9 is actually in this room where we built Colossus. So that's the wartime story. The rebuild, about 20 people have helped me with the rebuild. It has been a very long and difficult job, only possible because Tommy Flowers, who designed Colossus, was a postal engineer, so he used standard telephone exchange equipment in the building of Colossus. And luckily for us, British Telecom has been decommissioning old mechanical exchanges, lots of scrap around. So back a lorry up, collect the scrap and recycle it. All very green, but far more importantly, I got it for free out the back of exchanges. Well, don't make any more.